What do you get for 1 rupee? This used to be an old ad that used to play on TV, and a lot of people used to started using it as a takiya kalam. एक रुपए में क्या मिलता है? एक रुपए में क्या मिलता है? Let's change that today. 6,500, 6,500 रुपए में क्या मिलता है? According to Techno, बहुत कुछ मिलता है. This is their Techno Spark Go 2020. और उन्होंने बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग स्ट्रैटेजी ली है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई द कंपनी इज बिकमिंग वेरी सक्सेसफुल एंड रियली मेकिंग अ नेम फॉर इटसेल्फ under 10,000. So they are only playing under 10,000 rupees, which in itself is a very interesting strategy. But what they're doing is they're taking price points 9,500, 8,500, 7,500, and this 6,500. So they go to that price category and they say, well, what does the rest of the competition have, and what can we add that the competition doesn't have? And then they build their phones around it. Very interesting strategy, very successful strategy. Let's take a look at this phone.
The affordable smartphone segment just got a new competitor. Yes, you heard that right. Techno is back with an all-new smartphone that's going big on features. Today we'll be reviewing the Techno Smart Go 2020, a budget phone that packs a punch. To start off, Techno has packed in a large 6.52-inch display with a dot notch on the Spark Go 2020. With a peak brightness level of 480 nits, it's very easily viewable even outdoors, and the colors look vibrant. Watching HD content is a great experience. Elsewhere, the phone feels pretty good in the hand and the glossy colors look visually appealing, though you might want to use a case to prevent scratches or scuffs. You will find a fingerprint scanner at the back, and yes, the phone supports even face unlock to quickly get into your phone. Talking about the cameras, the Techno Smart Go 2020 sports a 13-megapixel shooter with AI scene recognition at the back and an 8-megapixel front-facing camera. And if you like shooting a lot of selfies in dimly lit areas, you'll love the selfie flash feature included here. Photos from the rear camera look good, especially for a phone at this price point. There is a focus on vibrant colors. However, low-light imaging isn't particularly great. Powered by Android 10 Go Edition running on a Helio A20 chipset and 2GB of RAM, the performance here is satisfactory and just about enough if your use case involves calling and social media use. Gamers should, however, look elsewhere. Meanwhile, there's 32GB of storage to store all your media files, and you can, of course, expand that further. We were particularly impressed by the battery life on the phone. The 5000 mAh battery easily lasts 2 full days of use. Priced at 6,499 rupees, the Techno Spark Go 2020 is bringing the heat as far as the specs go. The phone exceeds the competition on the spec sheet, and user experience also matches up, making the phone a winner.
Strategy. So we decided to speak to the CEO of the company, Arijit Talapatra, to find out exactly what they are doing. I mean, they are doing pretty sensational stuff. So Arijit, thank you for joining us on the show.
Great to be in your show, Rajiv. Thanks so much.
So Arijit, my first question is this segment first. I spoke about this entire strategy to my audience also. This segment first strategy that you do things, you come into a particular price category and you say, well, we'll give you something no one else is. How are you doing this and how well is it doing?
We are all getting used to the new normal. And the new normal for a tier 1 or a metro city, it's still okay. But for greater Bharat, the tier 2 and the below towns, they need to be equipped with digital access. They need to have they need to be getting better smartphones, because all their activities, whether their financial transactions, their work, the children education, getting connected with people, everything is through smartphone. And what Techno is providing them with a value for money, democratizing them with best features at a very affordable price.
So you've come up with this new strategy, and of course things changed. The pandemic came in. So how's the actual response been to Techno products in the last 3 or 4 months?
Techno devices, you will be happy to know, are really doing extremely well. I again go back to a very simple thing. We want to understand what the customer needs. And customer for a tier 1 metro and the aspirational greater Bharat is not the same. The customer requirements are the same, but the avenues are not the same. Mm-hmm. So in Great Bharat, as we say, we do a lot of understanding and try to understand what is that they need. And once we go back to the drawing board and we see how we can serve them, we need to give them the best quality all the features that they need and at a very affordable price. Then till the last mile, you need to have your service network. So we have worked and revamped our entire service network, because in today's scenario, you cannot have a smartphone not working even for a few hours. It's very difficult. We are setting up our entire supply chain ecosystem so that once we know what the customer wants, we can quickly work on the supply ecosystem chain through give the customer make in India, amazing phone, big display, big battery, amazing camera, low light camera, everything that they need at the entry level or the mid segment. For us, less than 10K, we want to be extremely aggressive and give superb experience to the consumers. That is what Techno is all about.
So Arijit, there must have been a lot more learning from the pandemic, right? I mean, the way we use our phones now, way everybody uses their phones now has dramatically changed. I mean, people will now demand different things, much better battery life, much bigger screen, much better video camera in the front, all of these things. So what have you learned?
Absolutely. As I said, the Techno Spark 2020 that we are going to launch, it has a 5000 mAh battery, AI-powered dual camera, a big 6.52 dot-notch display, and fingerprint sensor for security. And the entire quality of the phone, the make of the phone at a price of sub 7K is segment first.
So Arijit, you know, this is a great platform for you to talk a little bit about what you're going to be doing from here on. I mean, obviously this is exciting that you're bringing in phones at price categories where the competition has nothing close to your features. But can you tell me a little bit about what you're going to do in the future?
See, for us, we will continue to focus in the sub 10K segment. We have different models, like we have Spark, we have Camon, we have Phantom, we have different series. But for us, our core focus in India remains with Spark and Camon. And with that, our focus will remain in Greater Bharat. We are serving everywhere, and we will be giving them extremely good products, and most of the products will be first in the segment. So we will be continue to dominate the entry level and the mid level segment with the Techno products.
So Arijit, one of the things that you've also changed is that you started off as an offline only brand and now you're playing offline and online. How are you going to carry on doing this thing? Are you going to change your path again?
See, Techno has a very simple strategy. We started with offline because that time India primarily the entire market was offline. Online has increased and started doing well for the last 3 years. Especially in the crisis time today, we have to ensure that we reach the consumers. So we are reaching the consumers with different ways. We are going online because the customer is going online. So it is not the Techno is going online, customer is getting online, so we follow the consumer.
Thank you, Arijit. Thank you so much for talking with us. It's been absolutely fantastic. And I hope you keep taking out phones like this. It really, really makes the customer very, very happy. Thank you for speaking with Cell Guru.
Thank you so much, Rajiv. Thank you. Pleasure.